Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock phone free with IMEI number. And in here, through this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock phone free with IMEI number. Okay, so first, where to find your phone's IMEI number? So for Android devices, there are two methods. The first one is you can just go to the settings of your Android phone, and after that, you can scroll down until you find the status or maybe about phone. In my case, click on this about phone, and after that, you can just scroll down, and here go to status. Scroll down again and you'll easily spot the IMEI number of your phone. So that's the first method. And the second one is you can just go to the dial codes. You can use the dialer codes. So open your your phone's dialer app. So click on this phone icon, then just type in this code. You can just click on the this sign, and after that hashtag, after that here 06 and hashtag again, so your IMEI number will show up. Click on OK. So that's the method. So that's how you can find out your IMEI number of your phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.